Hi, I'm Johnny. Let me give you a quick tour of our JUCY Crib Plus and show you the features that make your adventure more comfortable and enjoyable. Here is where you'll find all your kitchen needs. Plates, cups, cutlery and pots for up to 2 people. Water hose and gas canister. The crib comes with an 18-litre fridge and is powered by the domestic battery. To turn on or off, press the power button. Take the gas canister and remove the red cap. Line up the gap on the neck of the canister to the gas compartment. Press down the gas control button to lock the canister in place. Turn the flame control switch all the way round until it clicks and ignites the stove. Adjust the flame size to your liking. To turn it off, turn the flame control switch to the off position, flick the gas control button to release the canister. Put away the canister in the storage. If you need to replace a gas canister, these can be purchased at any Bunnings, Kmart, Mitre 10 and some supermarkets. To activate the water, grab the top of the tap handle and pull up and down continuously until the water starts to come out. The camper does not have a grey water tank, so it will flow out the bottom of the vehicle. Use the square container in the storage to gather the water and dispose of it correctly at your nearest dump station. Grab the hose provided, or most campsites will already have a hose connected to the tap. Insert hose into the water inlet. There will be no indication when it will be full, it will just overflow. Turn off the tap when full. Your spare tyre is underneath the back of the vehicle and the tools located inside the kitchen compartment behind the side panel. The fire extinguisher is located on the side of the seats when you open the side door. The crib comes with USB inputs as well as a cigarette lighter input. This runs off your domestic battery. To set up the table, grab the pole and tabletop from the storage. Insert the pole into the insert on the floor and attach the table on top. Lights are located on the side of the camper and one at the back. To set up the bed, pull both front seats forward, unhook the latch and pull the bed base towards the back seat. Fold down the front squat. For the curtains, unclip the strap and roll down. Clip the curtains to the side panels. To set up the top tent, unclip the hooks from the sides, front and back. From the side of the van, push the top up. Grab the ladder and extend to the desired length. Twist the locks on the ladder to lock it into place and hook the ladder onto the base. Unzip the side to gain access. To pack down, zip up the tent, make sure the ladder is removed and placed inside the vehicle. And use the strap to pull down to close. And make sure all clips are closed on each side, back and front. If you have any issues on road, please give us a call. See you later.